In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix could not sign into Play Store. If your Google Play Store keeps showing a sign-in error, don't worry. This is usually caused by a temporary app issue, an account sync problem, incorrect phone settings, or a recent update that isn't working properly. In this guide, I'll walk you through several practical fixes you can try one by one until the Play Store starts working again. First, clear the cache and data for both the Google Play Store and Google Play services. This is one of the most effective fixes because corrupted temporary files often stop the app from connecting properly. Open your phone's settings, then go to Apps or App Management depending on your device. Find Google Play Store, tap Storage, and then clear the cache and clear the data. After that, go back, open Google Play Services, and do the same thing there. This won't harm your phone, but it will reset temporary app information, which can often remove the sign-in error. If that doesn't solve it, the next thing to do is remove and then re-add your Google account. This refreshes the connection between your device and Google's servers. Go to Settings, then Accounts or Passwords and Accounts, and select your Google account. Tap Remove Account and confirm. After that, restart your phone if you'd like, then go back to the same section and add your Google account again. When you sign back in, make sure your internet connection is stable so the authentication process can complete successfully. Another important thing to check is your date and time settings. If your phone is showing the wrong time or date, secure connections to Google services can fail. Open Settings and look for Date and Time. Make sure Automatic Date and Time is turned on, along with Automatic Time Zone if available. If those settings were already enabled, you can turn them off and back on again to refresh them. Then try opening the Play Store once more. If the issue still continues, try uninstalling Play Store updates. Sometimes a recent update can introduce bugs or compatibility issues. To do this, go to Settings, then Apps, and open Google Play Store. Tap the menu icon in the top corner if you see it, then choose Uninstall Updates. This will return the Play Store to its factory version. After that, open the app again and allow it a moment to update itself in the background. Go through these fixes in order, and in most cases, one of them will resolve the problem. If the Play Store still won't sign in, repeat the steps carefully and make sure each change has been fully applied before moving on.